C major to F major 7. Here we go now. Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. C major 2, 3, F major 7. Yeah. Nice. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. That's a song waiting to be written, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. Strumming 5 strings on the C chord, strumming 4 strings on the F major 7. Strumming 4 strings, now strumming 5 strings. Now strumming 4 strings, now 5 strings. 1. Is that high E ringing out on both chords? 3, 4. 3, 4. Oh, that could have gone on all night. I would have loved that. That was great.